Learning task 4. Write the possessive form of each of the following. Write the possessive form of each of the following phrases. Write your answers on your answer sheet. The responsibilities of men, the talent of Maris, the receipt of Chef Alex, the shoes of Jane, the project of the student, the statement of Mr. Cruz, the books of their children, the feelings of her daughters, the career of his parent, the promise of the teachers. Learning task 5. Pick out the collective noun in each of the sentence. Then tell whether it